Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. So we have to open the phone dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-up window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone and then go to the version. And as you can see right in the middle, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.